Hello students, welcome to this session. In this session, we will do a detailed discussion of the JEE Main 2020 chemistry paper of 3rd September 2020 morning slot. I know you guys eagerly wait for the detailed solution, so without wasting much of our time, let's start with the first question. Question number 1, it says the mechanism of SN1 reaction is given as. So need not worry about it, they have given the mechanism, okay. So they are saying that this alkyl halide is converting into this ion pair, then the solvent is separating them out, here comes the nucleophile and the substitution has taken place, right. Now a student writes general characteristics based on the given mechanism as. So he just wants to ask you which all points are correct regarding this particular mechanism. First point, the reaction is favored by weak nucleophile. See dear friends, when you have got R plus, even a weak nucleophile can easily attack on this R plus. So I would say that this statement is correct. Second, R plus would be easily formed if the substituents are bulky. Yes, because we know that 3 degree carbocation is more stable than 2 degree, which is more stable than 1 degree, right? So R plus would be easily formed if the substituents are bulky. So even this statement is right. Let us look at the other statements. The third statement says the reaction is accompanied by racemization. Yes, if you are getting a carbocation, which is a planar species, can attack of the nucleophile can happen from either of the sides. So racemization can happen, which means 50% retention, 50% inversion. So even this is correct. Fourth, the reaction is favored by non-polar solvent. Now here we have gone wrong. It is not non-polar, it is favored by polar solvents. So dear friends, A, B, C are correct. So which observations are correct? A, B, C. So the right answer for this question is choice number 4. Now let us look at question number 2. It says which one of the following compounds possess the most acidic hydrogen, right? I know when you look at this question, this hydrogen is where you get attracted. So yes, this is the one which we have read, because in terminal alkynes the hydrogen is acidic. But my dear friends, even in the case of carbonyl compounds, this hydrogen is acidic in nature because of the stability of enolate ion, right? So you have to take that part also into consideration. But what about this case? I would like to redraw the structure over here. See, which linkage you are finding over here? See, ester, 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 3 carbonyl groups. So this carbon is alpha to 3 carbonyl groups. So the enolate ion is very stable, and thus this hydrogen can be most easily released, and this hydrogen I will say is the most acidic. So dear friends, out of the 4, this is the correct option. Okay. Now let's look at question number 3. Aquaria is used for dissolving noble metals like gold and platinum. Now in this process, the gas evolved is. Let us write down the reaction for our understanding. See, when you dissolve gold in aqua regia, which contains the H plus, NO3 minus and the Cl minus ions, you will be getting the auric chloride, NO gas, right. So the right answer should be the NO gas. Now I would like to tell you one more thing over here. See, gold over here is in 0 oxidation state, over here it is in +3. Nitrogen over here is +5, over here it is +2. So if you see, 3 electrons are lost by gold. Oxidation of gold is taking place, right? And here the reduction is taking place. Nitrogen is converting from +2 to +5. Similarly, in case of platinum, you will have this equation and this will give you 3PtCl6 2 minus plus 4NO plus 8H2, right? And you can check that even in this case the reaction is balanced and is a redox reaction. So, this is how we are basically oxidizing the metal, the noble metals, fine, forming their salts, and at the same time the NO gas is being released. So, the correct answer is option number 1, NO, right.